Overdrive. Borrow ebooks and audiobooks from your local library. Why would you need Overdrive? Overdrive enables you to borrow ebooks or audiobooks from your local library for free. In this video, you will learn to download Overdrive, search and add a library, search for ebooks or audiobooks, put books on hold when they're not currently available, download ebooks or audiobooks on your smartphone or tablet, change speed of an audiobook, set up a timer, and finally add bookmarks. Let's first download the application. In this example, I'm using an iPhone. Search for the application Overdrive. Once the application is downloaded, open it. Locate the main menu icon with its 3 horizontal bars, and it will give you access to the Add a Library option. You can search for libraries by name, city, or zip codes, or you can browse for libraries. Once you've found your library, you will be then requested to enter your library card number and your PIN number given by your library. Your local library account is now connected to your Overdrive application. We're now going to add a book to Overdrive. Click on the Add a Title button. You can search for a specific title or by author. In this example, you can see that the same title is offered in 2 different formats, ebook and audiobook. And if the book that you would like to borrow is not available, you can place it on hold. Enter your email address and click the Submit button, and the library will notify you as soon as the book is available. Once you've selected the book you would like to borrow, click the Borrow button and then download the files. You've just downloaded a book on your smartphone or tablet. You want to listen to it? Click on it. You can change the speed of your audiobook. You want to speed it up if you're a busy bee, or slow it down if you're learning the language. And if you like to go to bed listening to your favorite book, you can also set up a timer. The book will automatically stop. You can bookmark any specific part of the book and refer to this part later in the Bookmarks section. You can return the book to the library earlier, or it will automatically disappear from your device once it expires. However, if you have not finished reading it, you can request it again. Your library will notify you as soon as the book is available. Overdrive keeps a history of all the books you've read. Overdrive also offers suggestions of books that you might like, and you can listen to samples before you borrow a book. You might ask, how many books can you borrow? My library enables me to borrow up to 10 books. I hope you found this video helpful and start reading with Overdrive today. Thank you for watching.